Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. So happy you're here. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore video where we chronicle a week of outfits. You get some PA weather in there and a little bit of life. If you're new, I'm Laura, white puppy dog. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey, and Xena is the tan puppy dog. And we sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe, hit that like so I can keep on doing this. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. 74 degrees already, 86 for the high. It's going to be sunny and just gorgeous. And it's a typical Sunday for me. I'm going to try to get a video in here and then just get ready for my week and get some downtime, hopefully. My dad is doing pretty good. He's settled in. We're working into a routine. We don't have it down yet, but we're working into it. Looks like he'll be here for a few weeks. Not sure how many, but definitely a few. And but things are moving, I think, as fast as I can get them to move at his house. Everything is cleaned. The entire kitchen is gutted down to the studs. And now we're just waiting for the final estimate for the repair work. And then hopefully get on their schedule so they can get it done. So I'll be picking out some paint and carpets and cabinets and kitchen everything, so it should be fun. For outfit of the day today, super casual. Found my Suburban Riot tank that I got in a Trendsend. It says poolside. Paired it with Dear John denim from a Wantable, and just threw on my flip-flops today. These are my Olukai. I hurt my toe yesterday trying to get my closet cleaned out, so I'm trying to give it a little bit of breathing room to heal up. It should be fine, but it's hurting a little bit today. And that's my outfit. I have the same jewelry I've been wearing. I kind of put these earrings in as something that I can wear every day and then just swap out when I want to, so you'll probably see those a lot. And that's it. All right. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. Hope your week is off to a great start. If the sun is shining, it's going to be so pretty today. It's 72 now, getting up to 88. I love this weather so much. And let's see, my FabFitFun posted today for summer, all these amazing summer goodies. I hope you checked that one out. I like FabFitFun. I tend to use it a lot for all my beauty products, but they have a lot of other things as well. And for my outfit today, I have on a loft dress that I just filmed this weekend for this my next loft haul. This was part of it. In Love, I think this is the little black dress you didn't even know you needed. But it is a loft dress. Paired it with these Vince Camuto shoes. Love the snake print from Stitch Fix. And for jewelry, I don't have a lot on. What I've been wearing, my earrings, a little bit of a bracelet stack, and my Rocksbox ring. And that is my outfit today. I love that this is mixed media. It's like a tank style at the top, and then the bottom of the dress is gauzy. So nice and perfect for the summer months. Okay, I'm off to my day. I hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a beautiful day outside. This is my first time out here, huh Z? It is 87, getting up to 91. But alas, we are back to work, so we're going to be in the house. Zena's got some kind of goober on her eyeball. Let's get that off. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I chose a Cabi outfit. Huh, Z? Where are you running to? I chose a Cabi outfit so that you might remember the Marrakesh, I think that's what it's called, top and the matching shorts. And then I put on just a simple black tank underneath, and these fun sandals that I just got in a JB Stylebox. How fun are these? By Dolce Vita. So cute. For jewelry, I have on a bracelet stack. I have on a ring from Rocksbox, and then my earrings I've been wearing, and this is a Love AJ necklace. All right, little Miss Z wants something. I'm not sure what. So we will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Missy's all fired up today. Let's see, my Stitch Fix posted today. How amazing is that box, right? Like I just keep getting really great fixes. It's amazing. So I did keep everything from that box because it was awesome. I loved it. And for today, I am business on the top and party on the bottom, we'll call it. So perfectly, I think, for a work from home day. I have on a tank from White House Black Market. This is the reversible tanks where it has like a scoop on one side and a V on the other, and you can wear them reversible. Paired it with cut from the cloth denim. I think I got these from Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom. And then I paired it or topped it off with a Steve Madden vest. I think it dresses up the whole look from my latest Armoire. Awesome, right? For shoes, I have on these fun Seychelles from a Trendsend. And for jewelry, I have a Rocksbox necklace on, same earrings, a fun jewelry stack. I scratched my arm this morning. It was bleeding. I think it's done now. So sorry for that extra little accessory. But a fun bracelet stack. And that is my outfit for today. So it is really cloudy today, but really, really warm at 87 degrees and getting up to 89. So I think there is a heat wave going on. I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a cloudy, overcast day today. 74, it is supposed to get up to 80. And quick update on my dad. The house is stalled right now while we try to figure out who's going to do the construction, as the original company is moving incredibly slow and can't start for 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm trying to see if I have other options to move a little bit more quickly because the house is just ready to be worked on now. There's that. And then yesterday, my dad has a permanent catheter at this point, a result from the stroke. His bladder doesn't function. And we had a nurse come out to do the routine catheter change. We have to do that every month. And right after she left, I go to check on my dad, and his bag is filled with blood. Have another nurse come out, and she can't fix the issue. It's so bad that he needs to go to the ER. So the first nurse inserted the catheter incorrectly and damaged him. So we had to go to the ER last night. They tried to flush him with fluids, like fill his bladder so it could then wash out all the blood, but that didn't work. So by 4 o'clock this morning, I got a call that they were getting ready to take him into surgery. I got home a little bit around 1, and things were moving relatively well, and then by 4 he needed surgery. So he had surgery this morning, was doing well, and then ended up having a spiked fever, blood pressure went up, heart rate went up, and he was then septic. So right now he is in the ICU. They are monitoring him, watching everything, and hopefully we can get this turned around pretty quickly, all from a nurse making a mistake with the catheter. So it's been a really scary situation. He's so uncomfortable with all the pain, and just from the constant fluids going into his bladder. It was like when you constantly have a really full bladder and you can't get it out, because they were just really trying to flush that out. So it's been a rough couple of days here. So keep him in your thoughts. Hopefully we can get him back on track here really quickly. He really needs it. He's had a really bad run of it here. Then let's see. We'll get to outfit of the day, because when life is so hard, sometimes it's just to escape. It's fun to escape for just a little bit. And I went super casual today. I have on Pistola shorts from my latest Stitch Fix. I think you're seeing that on Saturday. And my top is from an older Trendsend. It is by Velvet. I think it's last year's Trendsend. It's threw on a necklace from Rocksbox, a ring from Rocksbox, and a fun bracelet stack. And my shoes are these super fun Dolce Vita flats. How fun are they? That's my outfit today. Alright, so I have to get back to work and then I'm going to the hospital this afternoon. Hope you're doing amazing and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Friday. We made it to Friday and we have a freshly groomed Wyatt to do Happy Dance today. Although he's so busy bug watching, I'm not sure he's going to get into it today. What do you think, Wyatt? You look so handsome, don't you? Look at you and your little bandana, your fresh cut. You look so good. He smells so good. Then he'll get in the pool and he won't smell as good because he gets in and out of the pool. It's like wet dog. He can't help himself. It's summertime, right? Right? Who's a good boy? He's such a good boy. Let's see. Yeah, you haven't seen Tico because I have to keep Tico, my dad's dog, separate from Harvey because for whatever reason, he just constantly goes after Harvey. And Harvey gets really upset. So that's why you're not seeing them hanging out together as much. It is Friday and so pretty out. It is super warm. It's 82. It's supposed to get up to 88 today. I love it. But I've been inside all day, so it's so nice to come out here and do Outfit of the Day with you all. My dad is still in the hospital. They're monitoring him. He is feeling a bit better, and it's been a crazy week. So hopefully he's home this weekend. That's what I hope. I'm still stalled on his house. I can't seem to get anyone to be able to start construction anytime soon. So I've been holding off on signing with anyone to see if I have any other options to try to get moving a little bit quickly. And for Outfit of the Day today, I'm sticking with the casual. I have on a Skort from CRZ Yoga I got last year. I have on a tank that you just saw recently in a front door fashion by Michael Stars. Put on my flip-flops because it's that kind of day. They're by Sanuk. You've seen those before. Jewelry, same earrings. I didn't put a necklace on today. Very small bracelet stack and a Rocksbox ring. And that is it. Super glad it's the weekend. I am exhausted. Just exhausted. So, well, happy to have the weekend come. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I am catching this at 7 o'clock in the morning, right when the sun is starting to come up. It's going to be a beautiful day. It is 67, going to get up to 89. There's no clouds in the sky. So it's going to be a warm and beautiful one. My Armoire post today, I hope you check it out. So many fun rental pieces. They have styles for every event, everyone, every body type. It's amazing. And for Outfit of the Day today, I chose a Trendsend outfit. I have on a Michael Stars skirt and a Daydreamer tee. Love this Fleetwood Mac tee. And then I spiced it up with these uber fun Dolce Vita sandals with the little pearls. I couldn't wait to wear these, so I just had to get them out for this outfit. For jewelry, I just have on the same earrings I've been wearing. I didn't pick a necklace for today. I did a bracelet stack. And then I have on a ring that, if you may remember, I was wearing my mom's bridal set. I had it reset into something I could wear every day, and I just got it, just came in. So I'm really happy with how it came out. Feels like a shooting star to me. And that's my outfit today. All right, and that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day. If I'm probably still squinting at you all. I couldn't even place myself here anywhere where I'm out of the sun. It's right there. But I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll list the boxes. I can't wait to hear what your favorite is, so please do comment down below. I read all the comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.